Hi, my name's Nora Spangler, and I'm a realtor with Stellar Realty here in beautiful Bend, Oregon. Have you been thinking of making a change for the later years in your life, your empty nest years, retirement years? Well, that's what my husband and I did. We made a big change. In 2015, we became empty nesters and we moved from the Seattle area, got rid of our corporate jobs, and moved to beautiful Bend, Oregon. So the two communities we're going to look at today are Treeline and Collier. Treeline is almost complete. This is a Polish home community, new construction, and it's kind of tucked back away from most of the main roads, which is a positive for this community. And it's behind a couple of the older Shevlin Ridge and Shevlin Meadows communities that are right along Shevlin Park Drive. Right now there are 6 homes available in Treeline. 3 of them are townhomes and they start at $849,900. And 3 of them are single family homes and they're single level as well. And those are in the $900,000, topping out at $999,900. If you're thinking about relocating to Bend or anywhere in Central Oregon, I offer a free relocation guide. The link is down below. Just click my link tree and it will take you to all of the resources that I offer. So maybe you're thinking you don't want to live in a townhome crunched together with people on top of you, but that is not how these townhomes are built. The only thing connecting the 2 homes is a section that's actually an extension of the garage. So none of the living spaces are, connected walls. So really, it's very much like a single family home, but you get the benefit of a less expensive home and it's a little bit smaller than the single family homes that they're offering. I've heard from a lot of empty nesters and retirees, and what they tell me is they want low maintenance, close to all the amenities and recreation that they moved here for, and they want a community. They don't want to be out in the rural areas necessarily, although I can help you with that type of property as well. But for the most part, they want to be in town and close to everything. So those are the communities that I'm going to be showing you in this series. So what makes the west side of Bend such a great choice for the empty nester lifestyle? Well, you have great access to tons of things, including parks. You've got Discovery Park, Shevlin Park, which is one of my absolute favorite parks, and I did a separate video on that, so check out Shevlin Park. You're just so close to tons of amenities, shopping, all the restaurants. Newport Avenue has great shopping, coffee shops, restaurants, as well as Galveston. Both those are super close. And if you're a cyclist, especially off-road, you've got Phil's Trail Complex on the west side, which is where everybody wants to go. And then if you're a road cyclist, lots of great roads. You can head out toward Mount Bachelor and enjoy the Cascade Lake Highway if that's your thing. Now I get to tell you about a brand new community that's not even started yet. They're just doing the ground development and the model home should be ready in 2024. This is a Polish community called Collier. Collier is just a little bit south of Treeline, and it's going to be the connection from Discovery West, which has been building and building. It's not a Polish community, but Discovery West has tons of phases. It's a huge new construction community just west of Northwest Crossing. And so if you're familiar with Bend at all, this is kind of between Discovery West and Treeline on the west side. Collier is going to have about 61 single family homes, so it sounds like they won't have any townhomes available. And I'm sure the lot size will be very similar to what they're offering in Treeline, which is about 0.12 to 0.14. That may not sound like a really large lot, but for Bend, it really is. Thanks so much for watching this video. I really appreciate you. Once again, like and subscribe, and I hope to see you again next week.